仲慘過加沙。佢有幾廿米。
We also found that the fire was spreading to nearby buildings and spreading inside the buildings. So we immediately carried out our firefighting and rescue operation.
The Fire Services Department so far handled 28 casualties. And among the 28 casualties, 9 were certified dead at scene, and 6 of them are found serious and conveyed to the hospital. And at the hospital, they are later on certified dead. Four of them are certified dead.
而家咧就因為呢一區好多都係老人家居住嘅，咁所以咧好多老人家而家都唔放心啦，想喺度睇住個現場，咁所以可能未必去到其他地方度去安置自己啊，或者去啲即係保暖到啲嘅地方啦。
已經係屋企人全部都疏散咗㗎啦，就幾時翻到屋企就唔知道咯。咁我就希望可以盡快救熄呢場火啦，或者係可以快啲令到居民安居翻佢哋自己嘅屋企咯。
Jelajahi cara baru mendapatkan informasi. Download Metro TV Extend sekarang.